to the government on the consequences of subsidy removal and palliative management, we need to have a renewed conversation about the political economic philosophy of Nigeria, the operating system. We need to have a new conversation about it so that we can mobilize the Nigerian people along a new direction out of our current challenges. And let me say this, there can be no substitute to energy security. No amount of palliatives can substitute for energy security. You see, when people are canvassing the removal of subsidy for many years with reckless abandon, with such thoughtlessness, they did not figure in the idea of energy security in all of the conversation. Energy security is a primary responsibility of the government because it forms an integral part of national security. And if you agree with me that the primary purpose of government is security and welfare, you now understand that national security and welfare for citizens rest on the foundation built by energy security. And because energy security simply means the affordability and availability of energy products and services, that affordability component of energy security makes subsidy a permanent feature of energy security. Something that should never have been removed. In fact, its canvassing should never have happened at all in any public discussion. No presidential candidate should have run on a campaign to remove subsidy. None. It's something that is not done anywhere in the world. The America, that is the headquarters of capitalism, subsidizes petrol, subsidizes food, subsidizes education, subsidizes all subsidizables. In fact, for the purpose of energy security, people don't know this, FDR practically died to secure for America energy using energy diplomacy. In 1945, this man was dying. He was sick. His BP was 260/150. Fresh from the Yalta conference in Crimea with Joseph Stalin and Prime Minister Winston Churchill on the eve of the end of the World War. He knew he had worked hard to overcome Germany in the Second World War. But post-war economic recovery, even for America, who spent so much to bring about the defeat of Nazi Germany, was of concern to him. And he identified Saudi Arabia as a source of secure energy for America. And then he sailed towards Saudi Arabia to meet with the founder of Saudi Arabia, King Abdulaziz bin Saud. Saud also left his own domain